If you love freshly grated cheese but don't want to put in a lot of effort, then this cheese grater with handle is what you need. This is so easy to use, achieves perfect and uniform cuts in seconds, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. No more manual chopping and slicing. The handle makes it easy and effortless to turn, making it as quick as any electric one. With three interchangeable blades, can handle a variety of ingredients, not only cheese but also vegetables, nuts, and more. If you are interested, just click the link down below.